Kit Jimenez PBA debut game review kasi wala naman akong choice. Pinasok siya 7 minutes remaining sa second quarter. Sa possession na to, 2-man game with Mo Tautua. Miscommunication by Newsam and Braymo para silang sumalo sa role ni Tautua. Ang ganda ng skip pass ni Jimenez papunta sa weak side. So 2 versus 1 to and walang choice yung defender kundi mag-close out and nice extra pass to an open Chris Ross. Another 2-man game for Jimenez and Tautua. Aggressive defense by Jansen Rios so ginamit yun ni Kit Jimenez to his advantage. Nireject niya yung screen by using his famous crossover which gave him an open lane to the basket at nakakuha siya ng foul. At dito niya nakuha yung first 2 points niya sa 2 free throws. Though dito naman sa transition defense, rule number 1 sa ganito is to always stop the ball. Hindi nagawa ni Kit sa play na to so ang nangyari, merong downhill momentum si Newsam and nakascore siya ng layup, may kasama pang foul. Again dito, transition defense, naliligaw si Kit sa cross match and pag-recover naman niya sa tao niya sa weak side corner na overshoot niya yung close out niya which gave Rios an advantage and naging 2 points para kay Hodge after ng extra pass. Next na stint ni Jimenez ay nung third quarter. So play na to after ng paint touch kay Tautua, nag-collapse yung depensa. So kinik out kay Kit, long close out by Dario. Jimenez smartly used a pump fake para mapeke at maiwan si Dario. Baseline drive with his right hand. Nice extra pass pero medyo predictable and wala sa control. So nakapag-draw ng charge si Cliff Hodge and basically na-steal yung pasa. Dito naman another telegraph pass. Kung maaalala nyo sa video ko before, na-mention ko dati na willing passer naman si Kit Jimenez and magaling naman siyang pumasa. Pero medyo vanilla passes yung ginagawa niya. Kung nasa higher level competition ka, mababasa talaga ng kalaban yung mga ganun. Kasi ina-expect na nila yan naka-game plan na yan. Ibig sabihin nun is magaling siyang pumasa sa mga open. Pero he tends to go for the first pass available. Which is not inherently wrong, pero that kind of limits the potential of the offense. Sa game na to, he played 12 minutes. He scored 2 points, grabbed 2 rebounds, and meron siyang 2 steals. Hindi ako hater, sinasabi ko lang yung nakikita ko. And he has to be better defensively kung gusto niya ng minutes. He has to stop helping like this. And don't get me wrong, sobrang sipag niya sa mga loose balls and sa mga 50-50s. That alone is a plus. And solid naman siya sa on-ball defense. Pero yung team aspect kasi ng depensa like yung mga rotations, when or where to help, doon feeling ko yung major roadblock niya ngayon. Tingnan nyo rito, trabaho talaga ni Mo Tautua na mag-help dito and someone has to cover the low man. Ang tawag dito ay sink and fill. Sasaluhin dapat ni Kit yung nasa ilalim and then mag-e-X out yung number 42 to rotate. Kitang-kita nyo sa reaction ni Enciso na merong maling nangyari sa rotation nila. Pero, major pero, all caps na pero, yung mga ganito, matututunan naman yan through experience. Si Kit Jimenez, meron siyang tools and skills to be an effective player in theory. I think kailangan niya lang ng time to further improve dun sa mga maliliit na bagay, mga little details. And naniniwala naman ako na walang imposible, diba? So ayun, medyo rough debut game pero may tools and merong potential. Talagang kailangan lang ma-fine tune and kailangan lang matutunan yung mga maliliit na details para magpatuloy yung minutes niya sa PBA.